Hello friends, welcome to Alankar Pharmacy classes again. This video is regarding process validation and this is the part 1 of this topic. So please be with me till the end of the video to understand the basic concepts related to the process validation. So without wasting our time, let's start. First of all, process validation according to FDA is defined as the establishing documented evidence which provides a higher degree of assurance that a specific process will consistently produce a product meeting its predetermined specifications and quality characteristics. So this is definition according to Food and Drug Administration of US. So according to this, now you can understand by its definition itself that process validation is performed so that we can get the required quality and product consistently. So there are many application parts of this validation. First of all, there is a better control of manufacturing and related operations. And another thing, there will be a fewer product recalls. So if we have a better controlled processes, that means obviously we will get the fewer product recalls from the market. Another thing, technically and economically sound products and the manufacturing systems. This is the another application of this process validation. There will be a minimum deviations in actual production and better maintenance. So if we have better controlled processes, that means certainly there will be a minimum deviations and better maintenance also. And it provides the scientifically sound justification of the process, and this is the one of the very important application of this process validation again. And there will be a development of product with good and reproducible characteristics assuring the quality lifetime. This is the another application. There will be a well-defined different parts, steps and components of a process. So this is the another application. Now the another application, there is a reduction in the regulatory non-compliance. If we have a better controlled manufacturing or better controlled processes, that simply means there will be a less non-compliance that will ultimately decrease the risk of defect cost and end product testing also. If we have a better manufacturing operation or better processes overall, that simply means the frequency of end product testing will be also be reduced. The process validation program ensures the quality, safety, efficacy are designed and built into product throughout its life cycle. Now the question arises, what is the life cycle of any pharmaceutical product? The life cycle of any pharmaceutical product starts from the phase 1, which is the development phase. After that, the manufacturing or the production of any pharmaceutical products in the large scale, and that is the phase 2. Then the third phase is the marketing and sale. Fourth phase, there is a recycling of products. These products after recycling enters into the development stage again. So these are the 4 different phases or life cycle of any pharmaceutical product. This process validation actually ensures the quality, safety and efficacy of any drug in overall in its life cycle. The concept of process validation is not based on the improvement of any process. We can improve our processes by another means also. Process validation concept confirms that the processes that we are using have been properly developed and are under control. Now, according to Indian GMP, validation studies shall be an essential part of the good manufacturing practices and shall be conducted as per predefined protocols. Now, you can understand that Indian GMP clearly stating that process validation shall be an essential part of the good manufacturing practices and it should be performed by any predefined protocols. Scope of this process validation includes the validation of processing, equipment, testing and cleaning procedures. Written reports summarizing the recorded results and conclusions shall be prepared, documented and maintained. While going through these statements, you can easily understand the importance of process validation in good manufacturing practices also. So this is all with the today's topic. Hope you all have liked this video. So please do share with your colleagues who are in the search of this topic. So thank you friends.